So welcome back, and in today's video I thought that I could take you on for a little ride because it is absolutely gorgeous outside. It has been raining for like this whole week since Grit Life, and it hasn't stopped. As you see, my grass is absolutely high, but it's so nice outside and it's my day off, and I decided to, take a little ride up the mountain. And what a better way to take a little ride with you guys. Thinking of just putting my GoPro and have a point of view of my little ride. Some pure sounds, windows down, weather is great, weather is nice, and just come in for the ride. To be honest, I have no idea if you guys can see anything. I hope you guys can see something. You can see over the steering wheel, see the road down here, but let's start the car. It's been sitting for a little while since Grit Life, and is on E85. Temperature is around 70 degrees, and I just changed my map to my daily map. So I started pretty quick, so that's good. So, just to let you guys know, I actually live pretty close by to the Shenandoah National Park. Takes me around 20 minutes to maybe 30 minutes, depending on traffic, to get to the bottom of the mountain. So once we get to the bottom of the mountain, then it will be a nice little drive up. So, nice little drive towards Shenandoah National Park, and then I hope you guys enjoy this ride. fun fact about Shenandoah National Park. Before Shenandoah actually became a national park, a lot of families lived there and people farmed there, and then there's actually cemeteries inside the national park. I believe when it became a national park, you know, the government, of course, you know, I'm guessing they pushed some of the families out that lived in the area, and then it became a national park, and that's why you might be able to find cemeteries in the park. I don't know where at, but now that I know that, I might look it up and see if it's on one of the trails, or to see where, you know, the family lived in that park. Also, another fun fact about the national park, it is that there's only one road, and one road only, in the Shenandoah National Park that actually drives, you know, goes the whole way of the national park, which is Skyline Drive. Skyline Drive then turns into the Blue Ridge Parkway, which is some other road, but it's basically kind of like the same road. A lot of people go up there, and then, you know, you get to see nature pretty much. If you enjoyed this type of video, just leave me a comment below and tell me if you kind of like POV videos. I know some of you subscribers have commented before to do like a POV video, so this is basically my POV video. I know I have you know, some videos, you know, of racing basically, but you know, I just wanted to put out there some pure sound, and you know, the car is pretty loud. It's very loud, and we had a ton of pops. Car did feel like it was a little bit louder going up the hill, and of course I'm carrying all that weight of the STI and going up the hill, so it didn't feel as, you know, fast. I mean, we're going pretty fast, but you know, trying to stay safe. Just don't try this at home, guys. You know, that's Mexico, like everybody says. But yeah, this is where I'm going to end the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.